I'm Rory. This is my bike check for no admittance. First of all, my frame, BSD Raider 21.1. Shout out to Daniel Mulhare for that. Follow him on Instagram at Daniel Mulhare. Cranks, E-clat tibias, fucking deadly. Bought them second hand for 90 quid. They're fucking deadly. Pedals, BSD Shafari ones with the bleeding drafts on them. They're good, nice and grippy, and I get a new pair now. See that? See that? See it? Now look! United Metro sprocket, 2 years old. Good old stuff that. I'd recommend it. Chain, E-clat digital chain. It's good, nice and tight. The way I likes it. Now, see that? That's a Demolition revolver coaster, one of them anyway, it's one of them, it's good and fine. See them now? Down the squakes, good for the squaking. Good stuff. See that? Demolition market seat. Year old, bit ripped at the back. She's going well though. See that now? See that? Small the fucking bomb drops I do. 30 foot high in the air, straight into the water. It's good. What else is there? Shalt bottom bracket, but sure look, they're only bearings. Sunday phrase stem for when you're getting cold in the winter. Coming into the winter now. Get Sunday phrase. And the big 4 handlebars. Fucking good stuff. I'd recommend them. Very good.
Good for the bashments, man.
No, it's good for the bashments, but I can't do the bashments. See them? E-clat jet grips. Nice and fine.
On back grips.
Oh yeah. What else do we have on there? See that? An animal headset for a spinning. Good stuff. Put on yesterday. Forks, sure, they're only salt forks. Nice. Well, salt plus. Shitey salt fucking front wheel. Keep you going. Another Danish quake in the front. Salt peg. Demolition rotator. Club guard. It's good stuff. I like it. That is some fucking salt rim or something like that I found in my shed, and that's salt summit rim. Good. I like it. Follow No Admittance BMX on Instagram. Follow me, Rory OH98. That's good. How are you getting on? How's it going, gents? Now come here to me. Are you getting on well? Is that water fierce cold? Oh, it's phrasing. I'd say fretting like my stem. Phrasing. Oh, that's it. Welcome to Dublin. Good luck.